You jumped it. I'm gonna show you where you landed, which you landed right there, and we're landing up here.
Yeah, well, it was my first time.
Yeah.
But I cleared it.
Got.
He's gnarly. Oh,
Oh, you good? You good?
Yeah.
Oh,
What'd you do?
dude.
Dude, you
What did he
narrowly
do?
escaped.
He still flipped over, so I wouldn't say he escaped. But
Well, I mean, like, he's not even really bleeding.
No, I'm not scratched really at all except for my thigh.
just a little banged up.
And that might have been the tree.
I'll coach you on it.
Just
What?
like,
For your, I mean, I have to say skill, though. There's no
Gotta
other
be.
thing I
Oh,
can
I
say.
have no skill at this.
John and I are jumping the longer gap and kind of swinging it into here. You need to come over here. Like, I mean, you won't hit the bush, but you need to ride through here and then straight and
he's
jump
landing
the
like
face
right there. We're landing
diagonally,
Like
so you'll just land like right here.
Alright.
You know, just right at the face, kind of diagonally.
Yeah.
there. See, kids, that's how you jump, Dylan style.
You just gotta
Got that all on
open
video too.
it up.
So, good documentary. Sizing it up.
It doesn't have to be too extreme, just a little. There you go. Oh!
Oh!
Well, that was really good. Just don't take your foot off next time. Did your foot dab the ground?
What?
Did your foot touch the ground?
No, it never touched, but I just took it off.
That's a trick. Kept your foot on?
Yeah.
That's a sin.
I didn't even mean to jump at that time. I didn't. I wasn't gonna do it, but then it was too late.
Well, look.
See, like whenever you're not
See?
thinking about it that hard. Yeah.
Comes natural. I mean, he did basically what I told him to
There
do.
he goes.
I know.
They grow up. He's going again.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
You really square edged it, but hey, it was good.
Look at that. I don't think.
There you go! He's a champ! If you jump that big one, you'll be amazed at how easy it is compared to this.
Really?
Oh!
I got it on video! I got it on video! Look at him go. Oh!
Oh!
You
no.
good?
Yeah.
You gonna jump it one more time?
Did I?
I don't know. It's up to you.
I feel like I need one good one before I take a break.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's gold. Oh, that was perfect.
You guys should video everything.
When did wait? Oh!
Showing whips now. He's getting comfortable with it.